everyone, my name is Vihan Bhagat. I am studying class 1C in SIS International School. Today we are celebrating World Vegetarian Day. This is celebrated every year on 1st October. It was first celebrated by North American Vegetarian Society. Thanks, Rehan. Importance of vegetarian food. Adopting a vegetarian diet can be a perfect way to stay healthy and happy. Vegetarian food include fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains are rich source of vitamins, minerals, fibers and antioxidants. Vegetarian food are low in calories and easy to digest. Vegetarian food reduce the risk of heart disease, kidney disease and cancer. Vegetarian food take lesser time to cook and saves money. Adopting a vegetarian diet, we can also save life of animals. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you and over to you, Satvik.
Thank you, Sharanya. Dear friends, two of my friends have shared reviews on vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods. I would like to say that human body is able to digest both vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods. Vegetarian food is rich in fiber, vitamins, nutrients and minerals required for our body. A balanced mixture of whole grains, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and fruits keeps us healthy and happy. Non-vegetarian food is rich in protein and minerals but are costly, comparatively hard to digest. One can select food at his own choice, availability and economy. Thank you. Have a nice day.